What's up, guys? Playing GTA with 16 people,
Oh my god.
and
What?
the person I'm driving with sucks.
You're still alive.
I'll jump right over here.
Oh, come on. Way up.
If I go much faster, there's a chance we die.
Oh god, nope. Didn't want to do that.
Especially on this road.
Oh, this way?
No, go up the mountain, go up the mountain.
Like, up the mountain.
Yeah, all the way.
Oh,
Going up Mount,
Oh,
going up Mount Chiliad.
Oh, I just killed him.
oh. Ah.
Great.
Probably should have did something else, but I don't care.
Did you get stars to kill him?
I dodged him.
Alright, come on, stop. Come on. You got this.
Fucking kill a cop.
Come on, we can make it.
There's another cop coming right in front of you. Two.
Oh shit!
There we
He
go.
just ran someone over right in front of him, but he didn't do anything.
Okay, we're going to the very top over there.
You
Yeah,
fucking
all the way up.
bitch.
All the way up.
Ah, fuck the
Alright.
police.
My bad, don't do that.
Oh, they didn't even see me until the
It's
very
supposed to
end.
stunt jump. Right around here.
Over there? That way, or this way?
That way.
How can I help?
Alright.
Go up the mountain.
We
Oh,
got helicopters and shit. Oh, there it is. Damn, that shit looks massive.
you want on their head?
Oh, yeah. Oh my god.
Done deal. Don't launch off the mountaintop, dude. Trust me. Not a good way to go.
Oh, come on, we got this.
Oh yeah, this is a really strong bike. I love it.
This game's so
Go,
awesome.
Brian. Oh,
Oh look, trail.
yeah. Oh,
Nee. Sweet.
Kill you, you're in a car.
How do we don't? Oh.
Oh, fuck. Here, I'll give it to you.
So, okay.
Oh, shit. Here's the cops, though. Oh, what? I didn't get it. Are you still?
No.
Still,
Yeah, you got it. I don't want it though.
still, still.
Go all the way up, all the way.
Over there?
Yep, go on the ramp.
Yes.
No, go to the left. Go to the left. Yeah, go that way. Go
This way?
straight. Yes.
This way.
No. Go to the right. Yes, right there. Jump off.
Where is it?
What are you getting?
Well, that's not. Just jump off. Just jump off of it. Come on.
Oh, there it is.
Fail.
Oh my god.
That was a fail.
Off ramp.
I'm gonna fall off. Why would you do that?
What do you get?
Yeah, you killed me. Well, yeah,
That was fun.
you killed me. Well.
My bike says it's over there. Is it blown up?
Alright, I'm gonna take a selfie.
Yep, there I go. I fell. I tripped and fell. Now I'm tumbling down. Yep, I'm not gonna stop. Ooh, I caught it.